Hey guys, Emily here at Caffeinated Plants. Welcome back. Today we are going to be checking in for the middle of May. Right, so let's go ahead. Let's see what came out and what didn't, and then we'll go over our budget numbers. So we only got one of the paychecks. So just wait for the other one. Actually, no, I got both. Yeah, I got both. And then we have the stimulus check that we also received, which has already been used. For Owl Crate, that came out. I really wished I would have left it the same way it looks like for April. Let me show April. So that I can have the actual check-in numbers, but I tried to use the fixed and variable. I don't like the way it looks. We won't do that next month. But Owl Crate did come out. I'll put a check over here. Apple Music did not. I did it correctly, so Verizon is now covering for Apple Music. It's kind of one of the perk programs. Verizon did come out, but again, I'm not sure what it was, just because I didn't have space to write it. Netflix, I canceled in time. Netflix is gone. Banana Skirt, of course, did not come out. It was $0 like it says. I did pay Fed and Loan. ClassPass also did not come out, and the rest of these haven't happened yet. Let's go ahead and let's look at the variable expenses. I have my weekly check-ins that I've been doing off camera on this side. So for the past 2 weeks for groceries, I kind of went a little crazy. I don't know if it's because we decreased it or what, but I used a lot of it. So in the first week, I only spent $26. But the last time I went, I spent $252. That includes the Uber there and back. So I only have $20 left. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be over because I did just order some tea from Amazon. And I did go back to Trader Joe's a second time and get some more snacks and stuff. So that is going to be over. I did it yesterday, so it'll be part of the week 3. For eating out, I didn't spend anything. I have not eaten out at all. For personal, I made, I think, about 3 purchases. So for the next 2 weeks, we have the $17.70 left. I don't really have a reason to spend it, but I'll find a reason why. Unbudgeted was $50, and I spent $47.38. That is because I had to have a doctor's appointment. My asthma, my allergies have been flaring up really bad and very uncomfortable even yesterday. So I did need to go get a new inhaler, and she did put me on some new medication, and so I put that under unbudgeted because I didn't know it was coming, and my sinking funds just aren't there yet to hold this kind of purchase. So we have $2.62 left of unbudgeted. I mean, it happens, but I kind of got to take care of my health first. Okay. So then we're going to go into our sinking funds and our debt tracker. So I did pay off Conserve. That means that is at 0. And then we have our 2 student loans that are both with Fed Loan. So I did give them $10 just to see what would happen and how they would distribute the pay. And I didn't get it. I think they put like $6 to the unsub and then like $4 here. It was very weird. I couldn't tell if it was like, we'll put like 40% here. It was weird numbers. I didn't get it. I did email Fed Loan to see like how they decide how much money goes to which loan, and I haven't heard back. So I'm going to try calling. I also got in the mail from Synchronomy. I think it was like an old Aerie card that I had like in college, credit card that I guess I never like paid. I think I used it once and never paid it. So it was $350. So I plan on paying that in full this month once I get a hold and see like the exact amounts. They gave me a link and a website and stuff, so I'm just gonna look at it and see if I can pay it in full based on the letter that I got in the mail. So that's just an update on the debt number so far. We're gonna use our money for that. And then for the goals that we had, we did cancel Netflix. I did not cancel Audible, but I did ask them to you can like pause your account for up to 3 months. I did use 6. I actually had 15 credits, so I used 6 of the 15 credits, but I'm not gonna be able to decide the rest of them by the 15th. So I asked for it to be paused. I didn't get an email back to say like, yes, we paused it, or no, we didn't. So I'm just gonna keep waiting. And then for the sinking funds, I still don't have any idea what I want these to end with. I am getting closer to thinking about medical and household. I would like to be able to cover a few copays and also at least an inhaler with medical. But as far as that's concerned, I haven't thought about it. But I did put the $70 away for this month. So we just have one goal to work on. And then at the end of the month, I will update you guys on the debt numbers. This is fine. Netflix does not come out canceled. I wish I had like a cancel sticker. I'll find one. Yeah, so that's where we're at. We don't really have much of our funds, our variable expenses left at all. We only have a few more bills that are going to come out. And then at the end of the month, everything that is left over will be going towards our debt snowball. So thank you guys. Please let me know how your debt journey is going and how you guys have been dealing with the crisis outside. If you have entered storm mode or not, are you putting everything in savings? And until next time, bye.